How are you, beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing. And without further ado, guys, let me introduce my recipe today. I am preparing potatoes saute. Welcome, and make sure you watch this video up to the end. So guys, our recipe today is a very simple recipe because we only have potatoes. I've already chopped our onion and coriander. So guys, let's go ahead and deep fry our potatoes. Our oil is heating. We need to check whether it is hot. This is how we do it, guys. You use a wooden spoon. If it produces bubbles, we know that our oil is ready. There we go, guys, our oil is ready. Deep fry them, making sure that they will not become too soft. So guys, make sure our potatoes do not become too soft. So it is ready. My potatoes are ready. So guys, we will use the same pot, only that this time round we use oil. So that we can fry our onion. Wow, I love onions. This will be so nice, guys. We mix our onion with oil. Add some salt. And add some black pepper, guys. Now add our potatoes. We turn them gently so that we don't break them. Our coriander. Cover for a few minutes. Potatoes saute is ready. So nice, guys.